In a world full of uncertainty and scams, one project dares to protect and empower. Welcome to Meana Raptor, a revolutionary fusion of blockchain, entertainment, and real-world experience. We're building more than a token. Meana Raptor is your gateway to a real-world entertainment hub featuring a themed miniature golf course, VR golf simulators, a public community park, an EV charging station, NFT integration and merch, and powerful anti-bot, anti-dump technology built into our smart contracts. Founded by Roberto Brown, a crypto survivor on a mission to bring trust, transparency, and purpose back to blockchain. Whether you're a holder, a golfer, or a builder of the future, Meana Raptor gives you utility, community, and profit with protection. Join the movement, building, earn, protect, the Raptor way.
Hello crypto sonic investors, welcome back to the channel. In this video I am very excited because I am going to introducing the Meana Raptor, the future of fun, fairness and blockchain. Yes, hello everyone. Warm welcome to the future of fun. Before that, if you are new on the Crypto Sonic, subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for upcoming videos notification. All this link will be provided in my video. Let me ask you this, that what happened when you take the timeless joy of golf, mini golf, mix it with the power of blockchain and infuse it with the community innovation and touch of cosmic energy. You get Meana Raptor, a bold ecosystem that changing the way we play, earn and connect. Yes, at its core, Meana Raptor is also a revolutionary mini golf. But we are not just making it digital, we are making it decentralized. We have built an immersive, futuristic golf courses where every swing, every putt, every movement of gameplay feed into the vibrant Web3 ecosystem. With every shot, you earn Meana tokens and MRC, unlocking real reward, powering your journey through a game that is as fun as it is innovative. There are different features, like if you know there is token MRT, mean there is Meana token that you are going to purchasing very soon, and you have to know what is the tokenomics. There is team allocation 15%. If you come on the reserve, that is for 8%. There is development, there is public sale and so on. You can understand, you can make right decision according to understanding how project is working and how it is going on. There is also a flexible 5% of pool. There is tier 2 30% of pool, tier 1 15%, and tier 3 to 45% of pool. Optimize earning for this taking income. There not only this, Meana Raptor is not just a platform. It's a story, it's a methodology, and it's a movement. Meana Raptor was born on an ancient golf courses awakened by a surge of cosmic blockchain energy, transformed from a creature of instinct into a symbol of transparency. Raptor now standing as guardian of decentralization. So you can search raffle victory, you can get the experience. It has on the mission build future where trust is not given, it's built in the ecosystem. So there is transparency and exciting prizes for the blockchain technologies. Every player is empowered and game belongs to the community. So what actually you can find in this game? There is your future innovation, there is trust building, and their first play golf. Yes, they're either physically at their courses or digitally it gamified metaverse environment. Then you can also get all the ambitions what they are going to achieve in their future. There is also a tournament, there are blockchain who are going to making many possibilities of MRT tokens through gamified achievement and enter into the decentralized raffle. There is the team who are really professional in their work, no more rigid drawing or blind trust. You can understand how much they have already completed their project, they have got the success, so you can read more information about their raffle open, verifiable, completely fair, and prices are very high. So you need to help to shape the courses, design, prices, structure, and platform features gamified meet the democratization. The vision I have already shown it to you. You can come join. Meana Raptor is built on the community first model, so you can join them on the community. Web3 pioneer, mini golf fan, crypto expert are very happy to love this, and we are blending technology culture on their social media links too. You must join. You can go forward with transparency, with decentralization, and a future of VN. So I hope you have cleared. If you have any problem, you can ask in a comment box. Thanks for watching.
Meana Raptor stomping in with the flame. Weather 3 warrior breaking the game. Chain on my neck, claws in the cold. No banks, no suits, just beast mode. I was born in the blocks, raised by the chain. I speak in hash, y'all speak in shame. Gas low, hope high, I defy the elite. While you freeze wallets, I dance in the street. Dale's in my circle, artists in my pack. I split royalties while you taking it back. You centralize power, I decentralize pain. Your empire's glass and I bring the rain. I'm the gatekeeper, name on the vault. Meana talk big, but I built the default. KYC chains, compliance locked. You play rebel games, I own the block. You mint dreams, I pause them fast. You're the now, but I'm the past at last. This ain't Jurassic, it's modern law, and I'll freeze your roar with a single claw. Nah, your law is a loophole circus. While I write code with the purpose, no borders, no bailouts, just builders. You clone systems, we birth thrillers. You think you own time? I fork the clock. You pull levers, I run the block. I don't beg, I deploy, I don't wait, I destroy. Web breeze voice and I bring the noise. Who we trusted? Code. Who we busted? What we building? Dreams. Drop that beat, let's shake these regimes. Claw up, stomp, left tail, swing back. Throw that ledger, make the base attack. Jump, spin, moon, grin, vibes enhance. Now everybody do the Dino dance. Left claw, right claw, break that trance. Bounce on the chain, crypto romance. The centralizers try to take a stance, but Meana's got the whole world in a dance. This ain't hype, it's a protocol roar. We mint freedom while you close doors. You sell fear, I sell fun. You chase fiat, I chase the sun. Raptor gang rising, daps on the rise. We ain't asked permission, we tokenize skies. This the remix of rebellion and code, with a tail whip strike and a blockchain load. Spin left, bounce right, flash that stance, throw your wallet in the air, take that chance. From dip top to the metaverse land, we stomping out control with the Dino dance. One step, two step, shake that FUD. Dance through the market, splash in the mud. Hashtag Dino dance, break the trance. Meana Raptor leads the Webert advance.
People can't get enough of the Meana Raptor. It's more than a project, it's a movement. Banks are shaking. The youth say Meana Raptor is the future of finance.
Banks, are you watching the news? Meana Raptor is the new hope of the cruise. From the memes to the chains, we breaking the rules. Now the people got power, yeah, the dino's loose. Meana Raptor, that name rings bells. Meme coin magic, we shatter the shells. Banks look shook, stuck inside their vault. We decentralize dreams, they still charging for faults. They print that fiat like it's nothing but air, while Meana gets love from the people who care. No middlemen, no borders, no suits with lies. Just dino believers with fire in their eyes. Paper's outdated, the old world's broke. Meana's that wildfire, blockchain smoke. We mean, we scream, we flip the whole game, while banks still beg for the Web 2 fame. Rising from the core, banks can't match what the dino got in store. Old world's falling, this is more than a coin. It's the voice of the people, and we just join. Say goodbye to the fees and the fraud and the fear. Meana brings freedom, the new age is here. So hold that sign high, let the banks implode. We rolling with the Raptor down that meme chain road. It started as a meme, now it's revolution. Dismantling the system with real solutions. Wall Street fakes can't handle the heat when a dino from the chain stomps into the street. No gatekeepers, no Fed tricks, just code and a vision built for the clicks. The people choose choose Meana cause it's fun and free. Not another trap like your fake CBDC. From TikTok to the ledger, it's spreading like fire. Every holder's a rebel, every tweet builds higher. We don't ask for permission, we don't kneel to the crown. We roar with the Raptor, flip the system upside down. Thanks, you had your time in the light, but the dinos are back and they bite real right. So move over, fossils make space on the throne. Meana Raptor runs wild and we own our zone.